This is the HeartCheck ECG pen. To turn it on, press the red button. Make sure the date and the time are correct. This is an orientation on how you should use the device, and we'll go through some of the errors that people typically make that could cause problems with the quality of the ECG recording. Hold the device firmly in your hand, covering all of the electrodes. Press the start button with the left finger and return it back to the electrode, and wait 6 seconds. We tell people to get used to holding the device by first holding it firmly. If you hold it too firmly, you'll notice that the ECG line is thick and wavy. That's from muscle artifact in the fingers and the hands. So ease off on how you hold it. But if you ease off too much, the line will start to wander across the screen, and if you lose points of contact with any of the electrodes, you'll get an error signal. At any time, you can press the button and restart a recording. Make sure you're holding the device well from the left and right hand together, pushing pressure on either side of the device. Too much pressure and movement will create artifact. Again, if you don't like the way the recording has been going, press start and it will restart itself. The idea here is to be rested and not moving. Do not lift your hands off a table or not rested at all on a table, because you'll be introducing more movement artifact that will technically create some difficulty in interpreting the ECG. Rest your hands on a table, rest your forearms on a table, and at any time you wish, you can press restart to re-record the ECG. In this instance, you can see the recording has a thin pencil-like line, is located in the center of the screen, and seems to be quite stable and clean of any movement artifact. The recording will run for 30 seconds. At the end of the recording, you will save the recording to the device. The device can store 20 recordings in memory. This device has determined that I have a stable waveform and that my heart rate is 70 beats per minute. If I push the red button once, firmly and quickly, it will save data to the device. I can then re-record another recording. When the recording is finished, if you press the button for too long, it will reset the device and not save the recording to memory. Here, I'll push the button too long, and you'll see the device has been reset to the main menu and no ECG recording has been saved. You will need to repeat the ECG and save it pressing the button once, firmly, but very quickly. Here's an example again of pushing the button once, quickly, to save a recording in memory. This 30 seconds recording is finished. I push the button once, quickly, data is saving, please wait. The record has now been saved to memory.